Sekarang kita ada dekat Margaret River Farmers Market, which runs from 8 AM to 12 PM every Saturday. Ramai orang, dia penuh kat papak. Okay, we're walking there and see the next tak? They are called wisteria. Wangi sangat-sangat. Ni kat kawasan the markets, because the market's on school property. Cantik kan? Warna lilac. Okay, we're at the markets now. Dulu masa first time saya arrive 2012, not many stalls, tapi sekarang ni dah bertambah. So you have lots of stuff. You have organic fruit veggie, you have the bakery, ada jual, you know, lots of stuff. Coffee. Look at the number of people and the number of stalls. It's a good Saturday activity. Macam they sell all the fresh vegetables kat sini. Ada muesli, the wildflowers, preserves. And also have so this is the other section of the markets. Again, because I'm here quite late, there's not many people. Suddenly in the morning, ramai sangat. The vegan stuff. There are lots of stuff to see. Macam makanan pun ada. Sorry. The eggs with an Asian stall by Filipino. Ada icicles sebab dia nak sama. Kebanyakannya diorang jual wine kat sini, a lot of chicken and beef and you know, tapi kebanyakannya tak halal lah, or mostly tak halal actually. But it's just a good place to see and hang out. It's much smaller than Fremantle Market, but it's still a good Saturday morning activity to include in your itinerary. Ada Yahava coffee, that's very famous over here. Biltong. Ada fine chocolate Margaret River. Selling pies. You have the pancake bar. Yeah, so that's our Margaret River Farmers Market.